What is going on? James from Act Audio, and today we're going to unbox the HDPG4K. It is basically the basic 4-gauge power kit from Cicada. This kit would generally be paired along the HDP4K Pro or something else where you're supplying your own RCAs and signal speaker lines, because this one is very basic. It's just power and ground. That's it. Simple. It does come with extra fuses, and it does come with the remote wire. So if you're staring at the bike, taking it apart, you're looking at the front, looking at the headlight, to the left, up at the top, there's a black plug. Sometimes it's white, I think. Unplug it, plug this in, and it gives you a remote output. The power kit is pretty ABC. So with this, you need about, ideally, over 900 RMS wattage. You go to 4-gauge. Doesn't hurt to go to 4-gauge before that, but on a motorcycle, you're only running, 6 feet of wire, and 6 feet of wire can usually do about up to 1,000 watts on 4-gauge. So I say 900 to be safe. 900 watts 4-gauge. Under that, you can do 8-gauge. Over that, you have to do 4-gauge. This is a waterproof fuse holder. I personally don't like them because they're bulky, but I also love them because they're bulky. They're bulky because they're sealed, and they have the tool built right onto them to remove that. And with the fuse being secured down, you're gonna have less problems. If you have a fuse holder that the fuse isn't secured down, you could have arcing and from the vibrations, and it could cause other issues that you're not gonna want. Unintended issues, good way to say it. Secured so that there's a solid power transfer. Tools right on it if you ever need it in a pinch. And it locks in and is water resistant, as you saw the little gasket on there. So that gasket's actually moving when I take it on and off. You have your power connector already built, your ground connector already built. This is designed, as you can see, to be on the power side of the battery, because this is going to go a little further. And then it's all in this nice pretty loom with some heat shrink to hold it together. And then at the end, you can see that there's ferrules that slide into the amp to give it a nice clean install. Whenever we build power kits, if we're not using one, we do the same thing, and we actually put our logo on some heat shrink over this so that people know who did the job. Any questions, hit us up below. But as always, thanks for watching.